In this video I will show you all how to change Gmail password on Android phone. First of all, you open the settings on your Android. Then you scroll down and look for the Google button. Here you click Google. If a screen like this appears, click here. In this screen, you select the Gmail that you want to change the password for. After this you click Manage your Google account. In this screen you slide the screen to the left and select the word security. You click on the password. Enter your old password, then click Next. Here you have to fill in a new password in these two empty fields, then click Change Password. Click Close, and congratulations, your Gmail password has been successfully changed.